A BBL treatment, or broadband light treatment, works by selectively injuring unwanted pigment in your skin. So it's a bright light that flashes at a specific energy and duration, along with a filter that filters out certain wavelengths of light. And what this does is, by flashing this light at a specific energy, pulse duration, and with a filter, it will specifically target red spots or brown spots in your skin. And the light is preferentially absorbed by those red spots and brown spots, and then it is converted into heat, which then essentially internally burns the pigment. So it will turn the pigment black sometimes. You can actually see it like charcoal, but it doesn't burn your skin because the light is selectively absorbed by the pigment. So by selectively treating the pigment within the skin and burning that deep pigment, your body will then clear away the burned pigment, exposing whatever is underneath. So the broadband light treatment is a non-ablative light treatment used to treat pigment abnormalities. It is not an ablative laser that's used to treat wrinkles. So what happens is most people who've never had a broadband light treatment and who have been exposed to significant amounts of sun require treatments every 3 to 4 weeks for a number of months until we get to baseline, meaning every treatment treats the top layer of pigment, and eventually, when the body clears that away, exposes deeper layers of pigment. Eventually, the broadband light will get to the bottom of the pigment, and then your complexion is going to be dramatically improved. At that point, you go into maintenance mode, which is a broadband light treatment every 3 to 4 months or so, combined with a good skincare regimen to keep all those red and brown spots at bay. If you neglect to keep up with a good skincare regimen or maintenance treatments with the broadband light device, you're going to accumulate more and more of those red and brown spots, and then it's going to take multiple treatments 3 to 4 weeks apart to get you back to your baseline. The better solution is to do the multiple treatments approximately 3 to 4 weeks apart, and then once you get to a good baseline where most of your complexion is cleared and the spots are gone, then go into maintenance mode where you keep up with the treatment every 3 to 4 months. Broadband light treatment is based on the same principles as intense pulse light. It's just a different company that makes the device. So IPL and BBL are essentially the same thing. They are bright lights that treat red and brown spots using varied pulse durations and energies and filters. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.